Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the markets are all higher. I think we started yesterday finding some support in the corn and soybeans after the April census export data came out showing exports in April higher than the inspections, and year-to-date numbers are also higher than inspections numbers. And in the case of corn, could be 200 million bushels higher that the USDA has to raise U.S. corn exports. So again, talk about China buying multiple cargoes of beans worldwide, nearby Argentina, fall for U.S., 2023 for Brazil, shows their increased appetite. We also noted that meal prices have rallied. Some people say it's because of a lower U.S. crush due to maintenance, due to lower margins, and also due to the difficulty to originate soybeans to crush. So that's helping the meal market. Soybean oil market has been lower on concern about demand. Also, Indonesia lowering their export tax for palm oil. So Indonesia has been at one point banning exports. Now they're lowering the export, and that causes some uncertainty in the pricing of soybean oil. But now it's up closer to 82 cents a pound overnight. I think the Turkish and Russia meetings came and gone without any resolution as far as opening up a corridor for Ukraine exports. And I think that's why we're seeing wheat markets snap back. Also yesterday, especially in the corn, the market got wind of the possibility of a ridge in the second week of the U.S. Midwest forecast. Both the 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day maps this morning showed dryness and warm temperatures that second week in the forecast. And this morning's 6Z American model even shows a more impressive ridge developing. Again, our weather person sees the dryness, but jet stream is still too active to lock in a ridge for an extended period of time. So I think we're putting some weather premium back onto the corn market and putting some demand premium back on the soybean market. And I think the wheat market is putting back some premium taken out because of all the talks about progress in getting Ukraine exports out to buyers. The wheat market has a problem. The USDA on Friday is going to have to figure out how to put together a wheat matrix in which you've got concern about Canada crops, maybe a lower U.S. crops, maybe some concern about European crops and their exports with the main buyers of North Africa and the Middle East and U.S. bakers short. And so all these buyers need to come in. And last week, both Egypt and Algeria paid record high prices to try to buy wheat, and also scrambling for loans to try to pay for that wheat. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.